Hi all, Namaste. My name is Prince Aryan and I am from class 5. Today, welcome back to a new experiment video. In this video, I'm going to talk about one new experiment, which is the fire water balloon experiment. So let's start our experiment. So friends, in this experiment we saw that the normal balloon or the air balloon burst when we put it into heat, while the water balloon which we took didn't burst. Why that's so? It is because you must be knowing that water is a bad conductor of heat, and that is why this water doesn't allow the heat to go through the balloon and make the balloon overheat. This is the reason why the water balloon didn't burst. But because of the absence of the water in the air balloon, the balloon got overheat and then burst. So guys, I hope you like this experiment video, and for such more fun and amazing videos, be sure to subscribe my channel, like, and also share your thoughts in this comment only. Bye all, see you in the next video.